Thursday, end of day, and Dad is just looking for some tie-down straps here.
Well, I'm short of a helper.
Yeah.
He come and then he decided he was too busy. Well,
okay.
Fine.
But a customer came and picked up their differential, which is good. That got in, got serviced, got sold, out the door. It's going to be in somebody else's Bombardier real quick. The old dog has decided to finally get off the couch. Hey, Charles. Hi, buddy. Oh, my old dog. Anyways, so this is what these guys are still doing here. Looks like we're about ready for wheel installation here. Got some of the bearings out here and the nose caps. And looks like there's a bogey missing here. It's probably in on the other side. And I know yesterday they were working on removing all those gauges. Peter still had some to remove, and he removed them. And I think the intent here is probably going to be scrape that down and sand it and repaint it. All this stuff has to be scraped off, but it is original Bombardier dashboard, so probably going to order some stuff on the new gauges on Jags or Summit Racing and get the fancy ones in there. Might as well get the good ones. And looking a little cleaner in here, but I know they're working on getting another guy in the shop to do some carpentry work on the inside. And ski arms are on both sides. You guys saw that in the previous video. And there's one there. Kat's is supervising. And there's the other bogey. Dad is installing the bogey on the rear position here.
No, I have to put the tire ahead so I can put the pin into this fucking chain.
Okay.
And of course, with no help, you gotta rig up.
Okay. Do you want me to put the camera away and help you out, or?
Yeah.
Okay.
Push as hard as you can on,
okay.
On that wheel.
So just stop the video here for a second. We had to push the wheel in and then brace it so that Dad could get the bolt into place for the bogey chains. They sometimes it's a two-person job and you need two people, and that's
it's always a two-person job.
Yeah.
I got the bogey spreader on there.
okay. So they got that in. That's one of 4 bogeys, and Dad. So that's what you use the bogey spreader for. Invaluable tool.
Okay.
And Dad does actually manufacture those. He can sell you those. I can't remember the price on them right now, but we are getting more made. We sold quite a few of them just in the last year alone. So if you need a bogey spreader, you can contact Dad.
Well, that's good enough for today.
Yeah. Okay. So these guys are probably going to go full bore here this weekend. And we'll see you on the next video, guys.